Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel. Today we have a real treat. It's everybody's favorite, a room tour. No ordinary room. This is the Deluxe Studio at Disney's Riviera Resort here in Walt Disney World. So join me as we take a look. And as we do, please remember to like this video, click that thumbs up, and subscribe to our Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney YouTube channel if you've not done so already. All right. Studio 8886. Let's go inside. So immediately inside there is a small little ledge right as you enter on your left. Nice for putting your keys or knickknacks. So this is a studio unit, part of a 2-bedroom lock-off. You can see the door there. Other side of that door is going to be the 1-bedroom. So again, that remains closed and locked. Then you have the closet. Hang up coats and jackets. As soon as you open the door on the right, the light turns on. There's the safe inside. And you see we've already started to make ourselves at home here. Nancy and I, we just arrived. So I'll close that. And on the right is the split bathroom. Yes, just like most of the cabins on a Disney Cruise Line ship, we have a split bathroom, even here in the studio. Well, first it's the toilet, followed by, as you can see, the shower. Very nicely appointed, even in the studio, just really nice. Nice bench there to sit. All right, nice put various things there. Okay, now that lip is bit high, about 5 inches high, so be careful about that. And then on the other side, we have the sink. Again, one sink. Again, Nancy and I prefer 2 sinks, but 1 sink in the studio, along with a bathtub. Go. And handheld shower, which is kind of nice. Some of you requested that in some of the rooms. Very nice. All right. Again, no cabinets there, but shelves, hair dryer. And again, these are separated by pocket doors, like that, and then do lock if you want them to. Pocket door here. All right. And of course, the pocket door. Third one over here. A great space-saving device, the pocket doors. All right, enough of the bathroom. Let's continue on our room tours. Full-length mirror. There we go. Then we come to the kitchenette area. Sink. A Cuisinart coffee maker, a drip-style coffee maker. The microwave. Of course, down here is the refrigerator. Again, some of our things, knickknacks, and yes, freezer portion. That is actually cold. So that's very nice. Now what's unique for the studios here at Riviera, Disney's Riviera Resort, unlike studios and I'll say most of the other Disney vacation clubs, no plastic cups, no plastic plates, no plastic cutlery. These are little china, silver. Very nice. There's the toaster. Now, I said no plastic cups. Couple there. There we go. Hey, you can't get this live room tour just anywhere. But those are for takeaway on the go. There's your china coffee mugs. And down here, there's your waste bins. All right, so now into the main living area. Now, there's 3 different areas to sleep. First is the bed. A few things to say about this one. Now, first, unlike, for example, the Deluxe Studios at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa that have just one side having a nightstand. Here, you can see there are nightstands on both sides. Just fantastic. Cool. And as far as electrical outlets, okay, there's the one here taken up by the Hey Disney. So we would need to unplug that if we're going to plug our electrical devices, smartphone and so on in there. There is space under the bed to store your suitcases. Over here on this side of the bed, yes, we do have electrical outlets and 2 USB outlets. So that's very nice. So that's sleeping area 1. And just before we go, a few more things. Yes, drawers. So great for storage. Then, what's wrong with this picture? Nothing? What's wrong with this picture? And over here. Every once in a while we come across this where the mattress is too small for the bed frame, or the bed frame's too big for the mattress. You have to be careful about this because you can knock your shin into it. I'm sure I'll probably do that tonight. So that's a bit disappointing. Okay, so that's, again, sleeping area number 1. Where's sleeping area number 2? Right here. So this, you can pull down with one hand, and I will do that right now. First, let's take away the pillows, the cushions, make it easier to pull down. There we go. And it's revealing 101 Dalmatians picture. Very cute. So this can sleep 2. It is the same width, give or take, as the main bed area. Mattress not as thick. You can see how thick that mattress is compared to that one. But sleeping area, and again, pillows are going to be in the closet. Okay, so the height of the double bed pull down is 25.5 inches high. Those of you interested. Okay, let's put this back up. And again, I'm taking a few minutes here to show this to you, just to show that yes, it can be done with one hand by one person. Okay. Sleeping area number 3 is over here. That's a good thing there are the drawers under the main bed here that we showed you, because there's no drawers here. It's another Murphy bed type. You see this one? There, nice, that's cute. Single bed. Here here's the light switch. There. Okay. Okay, now height of this single Murphy bed, it's lower than the double Murphy bed we just saw. It is only 20.5 inches high. All right, almost done with the room tour. What else we have here? Again, we've got the table, 2 chairs, more electrical outlets here. But again, pair of USB outlets as well. Go back underneath the television. Yep. Pair of electrical outlets. Pair of USB outlets. So very nice. Okay. More storage. There you go. Switch hands here. And then there we go. There's the outside, the balcony. This door's a little bit on the heavy side. Okay, so that brings us to the end of our room tour of the Deluxe Studio preferred view here at Disney's Riviera Resort. Now, if you want to see what some of the other Riviera Resort DVC units are like, Here's a link for our video where we show you the studio and the 1-bedroom and the 2-bedroom all within a single video. So if you're curious, click on that link to start that video right now. Or here's another video from our Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney YouTube channel for older adults and seniors. Remember to give this a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.